In this video, we're going to show you how to manage tasks in Obsidian. Task management is an important part of staying organized and productive. Whether you're tracking personal goals, work assignments, study schedules, projects, or daily responsibilities, having a reliable system for managing tasks can help ensure that important work gets completed on time. Many users choose Obsidian not only for note-taking, but also for organizing tasks alongside their notes, projects, and knowledge base. Keeping everything in one place can simplify your workflow and make information easier to manage. However, without a clear system, tasks can quickly become scattered across multiple notes and folders, making it difficult to track progress and priorities. The good news is that Obsidian provides several built-in features and optional tools that make task management simple and flexible. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to manage tasks in Obsidian and create a more organized workflow. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a note where you'll manage your tasks. This could be a dedicated task note, a project note, or a daily note, depending on your workflow. Next, create a task by typing a dash followed by empty square brackets and a space. Then enter the task description. Obsidian will recognize this as a checklist item. When the task is completed, simply click the checkbox to mark it as done. You can create multiple task lists for different projects, responsibilities, or areas of your life. To improve organization, consider grouping related tasks under headings. For example, you might create sections for work, personal, study, or ongoing projects. You can also add tags to tasks to make them easier to find later. Another useful approach is creating daily notes that contain tasks you plan to complete each day. This helps you focus on immediate priorities while keeping larger project tasks organized elsewhere in your vault. As your task system grows, you can use links to connect tasks with related project notes, meeting notes, or research materials. Many users also install task management plugins that provide additional features, such as due dates, recurring tasks, filtering, and advanced task views. Over time, you can build a task management workflow that fits your specific needs. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create tasks using checklist items. Second, organize tasks with headings, notes, and tags. And third, connect tasks to related information throughout your vault. Remember that an effective task management system should be easy to maintain and review regularly. Keeping tasks organized alongside your notes can help reduce clutter and improve productivity. This is especially useful for students, professionals, freelancers, content creators, and anyone managing multiple projects and responsibilities. Taking a few minutes to organize your tasks today can make it much easier to stay focused and track progress in the future. And that's how to manage tasks in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.